Today I want to talk about the importance of starting building your wealth on time, age 20. One can say 18, 19, 20, but let's just say from 18 to 20 is actually another good time to start building wealth. Yes. Why? Because it will give you time to learn on your financial journey, and it also give you good time to do what? Correct any mistake that you will make in the journey of what? Building wealth. And it will also help you to develop better financial decision. Definitely. So you see, you don't need to wait until you are in your 30s or 40s to start. Starting now is better, is vital, is important. So how do you start building financial wealth in your 20s? One, you start by being financial literate. Start reading book, money book, financial book, attend seminars, training, make friends among people who have the same financial ideology like you. So if building wealth on time is something that you like to do, then you should seek out people who also have that kind of idea and then make friends with them. Two, working. You need to earn income, so you have to start a form of business, a business that you can't start with money capital unless if you have some form of capital, or you look for a job so that you can work and earn. Two, this is what you need to do. You also need to look for a second form of income, stream of income, an alternative, like a second income. Do you understand? Because you can't depend on one. One income will not give you that power to build wealth. So you need something else by the side. A freelance job, an online business, something legit, something, honest that you can do to earn a form of income, like a second stream of income. Then the third one you do is to live within your means. Lifestyle is expensive, so live within your means. Let your lifestyle be something you can foot. You understand? You don't go impressing anyone with a lifestyle that you cannot afford, so that you don't go into debt. Do you understand? Okay. So the fourth step in you building a financial wealth in your 20s is to avoid debt. Yeah, sometimes I know you it's something that you may not be, you just see yourself, falling into getting loan to solve one problem for yourself or for someone, or you find yourself in debt. Learn how to cut it. Do you understand? Learn how to pay off debt on time. Learn how to avoid getting loan. It will help you, especially from your 20s. You'll start building that character on time. Now, the fourth is budgeting. Yes, learn budgeting. Learn how to split your income. Allocate income to what you need. After the needs, then the wants can come in if you still have something left. Do you understand what I'm saying? Good. Then savings. You should be able to save some amount of money. Pay yourself. There is no excuse. You just need to save. Then the fifth one is investments. Sometimes when we hear investment, we think, it requires millions. No, there are investments that does not require so much money. So you also consider investment, low risk investments. Do you get? So in your 20s, these are the things that you need to start, and start on time. Starting on time gives you ability to build that habit. Do you understand it? You can build the habit of savings, the habit of investing, so that when you get older and you start earning more money, it will be easy. In the comment section, tell me if you will do this, and if you will start investing, if you start saving, if you start working, if you start second form of income, second stream of income. I'd like to get your feedback in the comment section. My name is Oge. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.